palm grip down in, going up to the two fingers, thumb comes across. This is your basic grip. Basic throw is I'm going to aim my flat of my hand towards the target. I'm going to have it up at my head and I'm going to swing forward. When I swing forward from a side view, I'm coming down like this at the target, and I'm actually pulling my wrist back slightly. Because what I'm trying to do is within the first, I'd say 12 feet or a little bit more, I don't want this to flip to hit the target. I want to try and just get a release out of my hand with zero flip to it. And what happens is, once I'm doing the release, my fingers feel this brush out of them as it's projected forward. So as my arm comes down, this starts to brush out, and it's actually pushing the shuriken across. And as it comes to the target, it starts to slowly go forward and hit in. And so the Shuriken master in Japan said, when you're striking and sticking into a target, if it lands so that it's aiming in an upward position at like a 45-degree angle, that is the optimum hit, because that means you got proper brush stroke and it didn't over rotate, and you're going to get the best type of penetration. For once it hits at that 45, there's still momentum with it, and then it'll push into the target and make its way in deeper. And then the rest is on you. Practice, practice, practice. Just start throwing. And we'll start really close to the target, because this is how I start beginners. So let's switch over to the target now, and I'll start showing you how I love to teach a person from day one who has zero throwing experience, so that they get a stick almost instantly and get that feeling in their body right away.